Hi everyone, so now we're going to get into the last topic of the school year. I'm going to be showing you guys Heron's formula. Alright, so Heron's formula is a way to find the area of a triangle without giving the height of said triangle. You don't have to find the height of the triangle. All you need for this is the lengths of all three sides. Okay, so to solve for S, which is the semi-perimeter, is the first step. So that's going to be adding all three sides together and then dividing that sum by 2. Then we're going to find the area using the actual Heron's formula, which is the square root of S times S minus side length A times S minus side length B times S minus side length C. Okay? So we're going to do 3 examples on this video, and you'll have a worksheet to go over this. All right. So our first example, I'm going to leave the formula on each of these 3 examples on each slide. In our first example, we have side A, which is 10, side B, which is 15, and side C, which is 7. All right, so first we're going to find our S, so 7 plus 10 plus 15 divided by 2. Well, that adds up to be 32 divided by 2. That's going to equal 16. So now I have my S. So now A, my area, is going to be the square root of S, 16, times 16 minus 10, S minus A, times 16 minus 15 times B times S minus C, which is 16 minus 7. So, doing all of those subtractions, A is going to be the square root of 16 times 6 times 1 times 9. Okay, so when we multiply all those together, it becomes the area of the square equals the square root of 864. So, my area equals 29.39 units squared. This is area. Our units are going to be squared and always round to the 100th place. Okay? It takes a couple steps, but this way you don't have to find the height in some obscure way. All right. So now I have one with 4, 7, and 9 centimeters. S is going to be 4 plus 7 plus 9 divided by 2. Adding those together, we get 20 divided by 2, which is 10. So now my area equals the square root of 10 times 10 minus 4 times 10 minus 7 times 10 minus 9. Doing these subtractions, area is going to be the square root of 10 times 6 times 3 times 1. So area is going to be the square root of 180. And area will be 13.42 centimeters squared, rounding to the 100th place. Okay? Our last example, all 3 sides are 6. So, S is going to be 6 plus 6 plus 6 divided by 2, or 18 divided by 2, which is 9. So now my area is the square root of 9 times 9 minus 6 times 9 minus 6 times 9 minus 6. So it's going to be 9 times 3 times 3 times 3, the square root of all that. Multiplying that all together, area equals the square root of 243. And the square root of 243 is about 15.59 units squared. Okay, so take it slow, find your S first, and then look for your area. All right, just so you know, as always, I'm here to help, so let me know if you're confused. Leave me an email, leave a comment, ask me to go over problems during our Google Meet. I had no problem doing that the other day when we went over some of the proofs, okay? And my email is below. And lastly, our Google Meets for the next 2 weeks will be Mondays and Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Our assignments that are due, you have Heron's formula worksheet, which is going to be due Thursday at 11:59. I'm debating changing that to Friday at 11:59, but we'll go over that. And I'm giving you a final project, which is posted on the Google Classroom. It's called Teach Me Something You've Learned. That's going to be due Thursday, June 12th by 11:59, so you have 2 weeks to do it, okay? Have a great